Okay, now please follow me with my demo. First, we're going to create a blank layout. Okay, so go to Library View and find the library called LTE_PA_live. Right-click on it and New Layout and Create Layout. Now inside this panel, we have these two bars. We also have the left panel and the right panel. So on the left panel, we have a parts, layers, navigator. And on the right-hand side, we have quick help, properties, info, and differences from schematic. And these two bars and these panels can be activated or deactivated by this menu picks. For example, if I want to activate a 3D view, click on that. I want to activate move, click on that. And all these two bars, if you put your cursor there, it will tell you what that toolbar is for. Okay, so for the left panel, if I move the navigator panel apart, and they can be docked anywhere you want. You can put it under the other one, or just put it on top of the other one. Okay, so I like to put on top of the other. Okay, now I want to explain net-based mode. The net-based mode is a schematic-driven connectivity mode. So since we already set it in the main window, and here you will see it's on the net-based mode. Okay, you can always override it with some other mode. Okay, so right now, let me explain to you. Let's go to layer M1. And if I have a shape, so this shape, click on it, go to properties. There's no net name for it. And let me draw another shape. Doesn't have any net name either. So right now I'm going to put a pin on it. And so this pin, it has an overlapping zone here. If I click on it, and it says you have chosen a net overlapped zone, a region where two different nets overlap. Do you want to merge these two nets? I say yes. And once I do that, this one becomes P1. Okay. And the same thing, I'm going to do the kind of a merging for this shape. And right now, this guy is called a P2. Now I'm going to put these two shapes together. And now it has another overlapping zone. And if I click in the middle, and it says, hey, you want to merge them? Do you want it to be called a P1 or P2? I have to pick one. So I say P1. Then that's it.